Happy holidays everyone and welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button. For this DIY, I wanted to create a Christmas Eve dinner dining room lamp, so let's get started. So to start, I'll be using two 10-inch embroidery hoops, and I'll be using just the inner part of the hoops, and I'll be saving the outer part for another project. Next, I'll be using 15 skewers that I already have pre-release painted from a previous project in silver, and I'll be cutting them into 12-inch. Next, I will start gluing the skewers and the inner side of the hoops using hot glue. I will have a complete list of all items used in the description bar below. Next, I'll be applying 2 coats of metallic silver spray paint. I'll be using poster board, and I'll be making straight lines down 12 inches, and then I'll be cutting them in strips. Next, I'll take a 2x2 piece of poster board, and I'll be hand drawing a leaf as my stencil. I'll be tracing 5 leaves, and then I'll be cutting them out. Next, I'll be tracing 5 3x2.5 leaves and repeating the same steps. Next, I'll be using metallic silver foil duct tape, and I'll be covering all the leaves and then cutting them out. This is a very simple step. Just take all the leaves and place them on the side of the sticky foil tape, and then lay another foil tape on top and cut them out. For this next step, just grab a craft stick and simply just place it on the back and just pull gently to create a nice curve. Next, I'll start with the larger leaves and start gluing them together with hot glue to create a nice mirror reflected poinsettia. Next, I'll grab some craft pipe cleaners, and then I'll be cutting them into small little individual sizes, and then I'll be gluing them in the center part of the poinsettia. I made 5 mirror reflected poinsettias. I purchased this glitter hard mesh from Dollar General, and I'll be using this to cover the lamp base. Next, I'll be taking the mesh and laying it on top of the base and cutting it to size, and I'll be cutting 2 mesh pieces together, and I'll be gluing both pieces at the same time using hot glue. Next, I'll be grabbing 4 skewers already painted, and I'll be placing them on top and cutting them to size on the upper part of the base. And this will be used for my lighting. Next, I'll be using this hanging cord that I purchased from Home Depot, and also 60-volt lighting bulbs that are non-heatable, and the cord also has an on and off switch. Here I just took a piece of 2x2 cardboard and I cut a split in the middle, attached the cord through the center, and I'll be using this for my lighting and hanging the lamp. This will be a great hanging light as is, and also with different color light bulbs. This will be a beautiful touch to your dining room table. Next, I'll be gluing all 5 poinsettias in the center, but you may also glue them wherever it feels right for you. I created this holiday lamp to fit my own unique style, but you also may create it to fit your own. Next, I will glue on silver necklace beads, and I'll be gluing them underneath the poinsettias, looping them around. I have to say I love the way this lamp came out for my Christmas Eve dinner party, and also I added another extra row of beads going around. I really do hope you enjoyed this DIY as much as I enjoy making it. Now don't forget to like and share with family and friends, leave a comment if you wish, and hit that notification bell for more upcoming future videos. I have a lot more coming your way. Happy holidays!